Hello everyone. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can upload multiple images in Cloudinary at a time. So there is a lot of way how you can handle your image for your website. So like you can convert your image bit 64 format and store it in your database. You can use Multer, and most popular and common way is you can upload your image in third-party service like Cloudinary, ImageBB, Amazon S3. So and after uploading your image to their service, they provide a public URL and you can use this URL for your website. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can upload multiple images in Cloudinary at a time with one click. So I'm going to use Next.js. So I'm going to show you from the bottom how you can create a next step and how you can do all the stuff and everything. So you don't actually need to know anything, you don't learn anything. So there is a beautiful documentation in Cloudinary. I will show you everything in this video. So you don't learn anything, you just have to follow some steps. You have to just read some documentation and that's enough. So let's get started. So I'm going to first create a next step. So I'm giving here npx create next step. Okay, I am keeping this default my app. No, I'm not using TypeScript. ESLint. Would you like to use ESLint? I'll just give it this default. Talent CSS no. Source directory no. App router no. I want page router. And yes. Sorry, no. And it is going to create a next step. So if you already know how you can create a next step, you just ignore. Our next step is ready. So I have to just give a command. So I'm going to my app directory cd my app. Okay, now I have to this command. Run this command npm run dev and it start in localhost 3000. Let's check it out. Localhost 3000. Here you can see our next step is ready. So I have to just remove these unnecessary things. So here is our app.js, document.js, index.js. So here is our file, and this all things is written here. So I just delete these all things. I don't need anything here. I'm just taking a div here. Div. Okay, and also I don't need these tabs also. Just delete this. Okay, if I go to here you can see there is nothing, but the background is black because of the styles. Right here is a Google styles. I just delete everything. Here is some styles. I'm deleting everything, and now here is our page is fully blank. There is nothing. So let's start our work. Here I'm just giving hello. Okay, here you can see hello. So let's see how you can upload this images at a time. Here is a beautiful documentation in Cloudinary. So I provide this link. So let's see this link. you have to first install this drop zone, and you also need to create an account in Cloudinary. So I'm first going to install this React drop zone. So I'm open this folder, going to my Frontend directory and give this command npm I react drop zone. So it install this package. Let's go to here. First, you need to create a Cloudinary account. So go to Cloudinary. Cloudinary. Here is a Cloudinary. You can sign up for free. I'm going to using my Google account. Okay, you need to fill up some things like I like to code here. Done. And here you can see your Cloudinary account is created, and you need something. If you go to your dashboard, here is API secret, API key, and cloud name. These steps you need to know from your account. So go to here and start your work. Here you can see first you have to import this drop zone. So I'm going to import this drop zone here, and secondly you have to write those things. Just I'm pasting here. You don't need to know anything. You have to just follow this documentation. And here, if you save this, let's see what happening. Style container. Okay, we don't need this. Style container. Okay, we have to actually need some style for this. So I'm going to here home module CSS, and also you don't need to learn CSS also. I'm just show you a technique here. Just go to ChatGPT and paste this code and write give some CSS code and make it beautiful. Let's see what CSS code they provided. Okay, let's check it out. I'm going to a home module CSS, paste this and save this. I'm just inputting this style. Import styles from home module CSS. So styles and insert style home module CSS. Let's see what problem here. Input displays the input field style hidden. Okay, just removing this. Here you can see there is a beautiful style here also, style and drop file here. So you don't need actually to learn anything. and you have to also write custom CSS to organize your file on your way. So let's see what we have to do next. So here you can see this part is ready. Now keeping track of files. So let's see how we can do this. So we don't need actually do anything. This is the code, and we have to just copy this and paste this here. And also we need to input some things. This one. Okay. There is nothing in change. So in this steps, previewing the image. So the image we uploaded, we want to preview this. So how we can do this? So let's see how we can do this. Here you can see we have to add this style here. Okay, we have to add this style here for showing our image. So I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and images, there is no style images in our CSS code. So I'm going to ChatGPT, and I'm asking him to give some style for these images. Write some style for preview images. Let's see that. Here you can see they're giving me so I find this style here. I'm just going to paste here. Okay, now I'm saving this, and and I'm saving this, and let's try to upload an image and see if this preview is showing or not. So I'm going to downloading some image like some cat image. So there is some cat image. I'm going to save this. Okay, and here is also there is also an image. I'm going to save this also. Okay, let's upload this image, and let's see this preview section is working or not. So I'm going to here download section 1, 2. I'm going to upload 2 images here, and here you can see our preview image is showing here. So you just need to give some small style, small width and height here, so that you can see a lot of image at a time. So I'm just not going to these details. I'm going to show you the functionality. So here you can see these steps is also working. So creating the upload API routes. So now you have to upload. You have to write some backend code to make an API to upload your image to Cloudinary. So here you can see I have to make a file called upload.js in my pages API folder. So here is my API folder, and I'm going to create a folder here, upload.js. And you don't need to learn anything, just copy this code and paste it here. Okay, So you need to just replace this cloud name, API key and API secret. I already told you how you can find this. And just go to your Cloudinary account, and here is your cloud name. So here is your cloud name. So guys, don't copy my cloud name, my things. You just create an account and found these details. So here is our API key. I'm going to press this API key is here, and here is my API secret. You can you can keep this in your .env file. That is the good process. So I think that should be in second bracket. Okay, and that is in also second bracket. Sorry, second quotation mark. So let's save this and go to documentation again. So you have to import Axios. So I'm just installing Axios. cd myf npmi Axios. Okay, Axios is installing. I'm just importing this here. Importing here Axios, and I'm making a call from this Axios. So I have to write this upload status here, and here is our API call. So I'm going to add this also. Let me check this again. This is the below all code. Here is our API call. So there is something. This is called. Okay, let me explain this. I'm just pasting it here. So I'm going to now explain this. When you just when there is something in selected images, when you selected any images, and that is stored in selected images. When something in selected image, there is a button open, and this button said upload to Cloudinary, and upload to Cloudinary. Okay, there is a button in style, but we don't have any style for button. Just write some style for button. For button, write some styles. Okay. That is a really beautiful way how you can organize your code. So ChatGPT just make our life easy. So here is a btn. Okay, and so when you have something in your selected images, this upload to Cloudinary button is open, and when you upload this, when the file uploading is processing, it called uploaded successful and something like that, or uploading successful. It's all things. And let's go to our documentation again. Okay, so let me check this code, it's working or not. I'm going to upload these two picture here. Here you can see this picture, and let me upload this in Cloudinary. So I have to just press this button, upload to Cloudinary, and we got this error. Malter. We have to install Malter first, because we use this in our upload.js. So we have to just install this Malter package. So let me install Malter, npm I Malter. Okay, Malter installed successfully. Now we got another error, that is we don't actually install Cloudinary, so we have to install Cloudinary also. Sorry guys, I just forgot this. I just copy paste this image, so I don't I forgot to install this. So you have to also install Cloudinary. Okay, let me check this again. Here, if I select these two images, here is, you can see the image. If we so actually we don't need .env, so I just remove this. Here you can see upload failed. Let me upload again. Here you can see uploading, and I think it will be successful. Here you can see our upload is successful. So we can actually upload 2 images at a time in Cloudinary. So you can go to media library, and here you can see a drop zone folder is created. Here you can see a drop zone folder is created, and inside this folder you can see your images. Your uploaded images is shown here. So our work is finished. You can read more from documentation. Let me give you another information how you can got a public URL for this image. So in response you will get every data of uploaded image. So you just console this response.url. So this URL is public URL of your uploaded images. So let me check this. Okay, I am downloading a new image to upload in Cloudinary for checking. Here you can see. Let me reload this. If we upload a new image, let me try to uploading in Cloudinary. Here you can see uploading, and uploading is successful. So let me check this URL is console is not. Here you can see our URL. If you copy this and paste this URL, you will find this image. So you can store this URL in your database, and you can easily handle your images. So that's all about this video. Okay, if you try to upload multiple images, you can use an array to store this URL, and then you can pass this in Frontend. So that's all about this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you can learn anything from this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Please guys, give me some inspiration. So that's all about today. Thank you everyone. Okay, so let me check this code, it's working or not. I'm going to upload these 2 pictures here.